Okay, let's learn Inkosari from Tak Jagdish movie. I'll play the lines and then I'll demonstrate how to play on the guitar. So that is how the first line is. So it starts on the second string 5th fret, hit it, slide until the 12th fret. So if you are not comfortable with that big slide, so practice slowly and make sure one of the goal in that case should be when you reach the target note, the sustain has to be there. That note is still ringing. So that is one of the things you should always check. So that should tell that if you are doing correct or not. Okay. So hit on 5, again reach 12, again hit. So there are 2 hits. And then again hit on 12, slide until 5. Hit on and then hit on 5. Okay. Entirely it goes right. And then next line. So hit on again on 5. Now this time we slide until only 12th fret, 10th fret. Slide to 10 and then hit on 10. Again hit on 10. So 10, 8, 7, 8, slide. Okay. Again after reaching 7, again hit on 10. Again hit on 7. Again one more hit on 7, hit on 8, hit on 7, hammer on, pull off, slide until 5 and then hit on 5. So entirely it goes. The whole line goes. Okay. And the next line goes like this. It goes like 5, 7, 8, individual hits, again hit on 8, slide until the 7th fret. 2 times, one more time. For the third time, so the fee of 5 on again on the 3rd fret. Again, the next line also is same but bit small change. This is same 5, 7, 8, hit on 8, slide. 2 times, repeat. For the third line it changes. Sorry. So 5, 7, 8, hit on 8, slide until 10 and then again hit on 8 and then 7. The 3 lines goes like this. The last 2 lines it is. That is how it is. And the next line. So the whole line, hit on first string this time on the 3rd fret. Hit on it, slide until the 8th fret. Reach and then hit again. So hit on 10, again hit on 10, pull off to 8. And then slide back, pull off, slide back to 7th fret. Entirely. And then again from the 5th fret, hit, slide until slide until 7 and then hit on 8th fret. Hit on 7, hammer on, pull off and then slide back and then hit again on the 5th fret. For the last one, so 3rd fret until 5th fret, hit, slide, hit on 3, slide until 5, again hit on 7, hit again on the 7 and pull off, back onto the 3rd. So all together it goes. Okay, next line, same. Same. Then the last changes, hit on 3rd, slide until 5th fret. So hit on 3rd, slide until, and 2 hits. Again 3rd one on the 5th fret and then slide back to 3rd one. Yeah, entirely there are 4 hits. Hit. So everything together. And then the last line, it starts on the 1st string, 12th fret. So it starts on the 1st string, 12th fret, 2 hits. Again on the 14th fret, 1 hit. Again on the 15th fret, slide until the 17th. Okay. 1 hit on the 15th fret, and then again one more hit, and then slide until 17. And then again on 15, hit on 14, slide to 12. Okay, entirely it goes like. Okay, so everything all together, I will repeat the whole song. I'll play the song now, you can see. That's how the whole song. I hope you practice it. I think one of the most important things in this is practicing the slides. That is because that will give how exactly the song has been sung. It will give the same feeling. I could start directly on the. It doesn't give that good feeling. You see that slide, wait. So those kind of things, and then the hammer on and pull off. So that sustain has to be there. You can practice like the sustain is there. Hammer on and pull off. Make sure that sustain is there. So maybe you could practice on the first string. It would be easy. So like this you could practice, you can hit, check that sustain is happening, pull off, and the sustain has. So these things, once you practice, you get used to it, and then you could play how exactly the song has been sung. Okay, I hope you enjoy the tutorial.